This video will take you through using the new Cockburn Libraries app. Once you've downloaded the app from your app store, open the app like so by clicking on it. Tap either on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, or click on My Account at the bottom, and this will open up this menu here. Click Sign In. You have the option to either scan your library card if you've got a physical card, so just click on Scan Barcode and it will open up your device's camera and you can scan your library card like so, or you can manually input your number. Now that you've typed in your number or scanned your library card, you press Continue. If you haven't got a library card, you can always sign up for free online or come to a physical library. Now you'll need to input your PIN, and this PIN will need to be a 4-digit numerical value. If your password contains letters, you will need to call or visit the Cockburn Libraries to get it changed. Now that you've logged on to your app, it will come up like this, so you can see your loans, if you've got any books checked out, and to return to the main screen you can just press the home button in the top left corner. Now you have complete access to the library. If you click on My Barcode here, it will come up with a library barcode, and this can be used alternatively to your card, and you'll be able to take books out of the library with this barcode. You can use our search bar to search the catalogue, as well as a visual searching of the catalogue underneath it. You can sign up for library events, see what's on in the next few days. As well, you can download ebooks and audiobooks through the app as well. Finished and would like to log off, or you have multiple users, simply tap the three lines to your left again and then press Sign Out at the bottom.